Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. A well-made souffle omelette is a thing of magnificence and unique egg dishes that you can serve for breakfast or brunch, and they aren't that hard to make. The eggs are incredibly fluffy and soft, a great way to start the day. Let's begin! The key here is to separate the whites from the yolks. You know what? I can't tell jokes to eggs because they might crack up. What about you? Would you like some egg jokes from me? Alright, if you said so. Knock knock. Who's there? Egg. Egg who? Excited to meet you. What did the egg say to the mixer? Uh-oh, I know when I'm beaten. I hope I crack you up. This omelette is different than most you have eaten. Egg whites are beaten until they have stiff peaks. Here are a few key tips to making a successful souffle omelette. Beat the egg whites until they become stiff peaks. You don't want soft or medium peaks. It has to be firm. Next, beat the egg yolks with a generous pinch of salt. Meanwhile, in a 9 or 10-inch non-stick skillet, melt batter over low heat. Then, add half of the beaten egg yolks to egg whites and stir well until whites are thoroughly combined and souffle base has a loose consistency. Then, add the remaining beaten egg yolks and using a silicone spatula, gently fold them into the souffle base just until well combined. Pour the egg mixture into a pan. What day of the week do chickens hate the most? The Friday. Going back to our souffle omelette, using a spatula, spread souffle base into even circle and smooth out the surface. Then, cover and cook until bottom of omelette is brown and top is just barely set. It's about 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the side dish salad. You can create anything you want, but I can give you one of my favorite salads that I always have. Mixed greens and spinach. Also, let's add some cherry tomatoes. Followed by fresh sliced oranges. I also love to add nuts. Right now, I am using glazed walnuts. Then top with the Simply Delicious dressing. I've used olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. And after 4 to 5 minutes, if you're adding fillings to your omelette, just make sure those are cooked or rewarmed if needed and ready to go before you actually start making the omelette. For me, I just want it plain since I have the side dish salad. Making a great souffle omelette takes practice. So don't worry if your first few attempts end up looking more like scrambled eggs. Remember, they're just eggs and you'll get better each time you try. Any questions? Souffle omelette tips? Or favorite fillings? Just let me know in the comments. Yay! It's finally ready! I can't wait to eat! I'm so hungry! These souffle omelettes sound so fancy, and it certainly looks fancy, right? But you can easily whip up this recipe in minutes and enjoy a unique breakfast or brunch experience. Garnish with chopped chives and Parmesan cheese. And by the way, a soufflé is a French. The word soufflé is the past participle of the French verb souffler, which means to blow, to breath, to plate, or to puff. It makes sense, right? So fluffy. I hope you love this healthy-ish, feel-good souffle omelette recipe. Omelettes are obviously a natural choice for breakfast because they're made with eggs. Don't be afraid to eat a dish like this souffle omelette. It's super good. That is Cooking Simply Delicious! Wow! It was amazing! Thank you guys for joining! Thank you for watching! For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!